Minty, Minty, Minty.
The prettiest market I have ever.
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम थिम्पू। अभी बज रहे हैं 7:35। 8:30 बजे तक हमको रेडी होना है और 9:30 तक ब्रेकफास्ट करके यहाँ से निकल जाना है, बिकॉज आज हमारा प्लान है साइट सीइंग अराउंड थिम्पू टाउन, जो कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें हैं जो आप इस व्लॉग में देखोगे, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड मिलते हैं। I'm all ready and going for the breakfast now. See, the wrong floor. I think it is first floor. Yes. Hi. Good morning. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
That lady, she owns the place.
Okay.
She have 3 daughters. The elder one is 30-year-old. The second one is 26-year-old. And the third one is 19-year-old. So I told her that you don't look like one. And this was her ancestors' home.
Okay.
Like it is, she inherited the home in Bhutanese culture. The elder daughter inherit the property.
Okay.
So this was her home, and she turned into the Thimphu Tower Hotel. She was giving me that information. You want it? No, that's it. I just want toast. Two toast. काय खाल्लं हे? बटोरा लिहिलाय, बटोरा.
Batora.
This is बटोरा. बघितलं ते छोले बटोरा. We are all set to see the Punakha. Why I'm saying Punakha? Why we are in Thimphu. We are in Thimphu. So day 2 in Bhutan began with a warm, peaceful breakfast in our hotel. And then we visited the peaceful site, the beautiful stupa. Actually, yesterday also we visited Gedu stupa, so we skipped this. We didn't enter this place. Our guide Ongchuk is just describing the history of this place to us.
So that's why one of them. Even
From there, we headed to see the magnificent Buddha Dodonma statue, a massive golden statue of Lord Buddha seated atop a hill overlooking the entire Thimphu Valley. Here, Ongchuk is buying entry tickets for us, which was rupees 500 per person. Did you know this statue is one of the largest seated Buddha statues in the world, standing at 169 feet, and the construction cost was a whopping $100 million. Some sources even mention 800 million, including the entire complex. Amazing, right? It was built to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the 4th king of Bhutan, and is said to radiate peace and blessings in all directions. Trust me, the serenity here is unmatched.
first go inside the temple.
Sure.
Then we visited the temple situated just below this statue, and their photography, videography was not allowed. It's very good, very good. Oh my god, what a view! Oh my god. We can see almost whole Thimphu town from this point, and if you can see, the green roof buildings are private residences and the red roof buildings are government offices. That's how they differentiate over here. It's 11 a.m. We are climbing down the Buddha Park, from Buddha Park, and इतनी शांति है यहाँ पे. I just called Vaishu. I'm calling her. Vaishu! Have you heard that echo? From there, we headed to the Simply Bhutan Museum, a beautiful cultural space designed like a traditional Bhutanese village. Now we came to visit the Simply Bhutan Museum. Here you can know about the culture, the tradition, the history of Bhutan, and per person charge is ₹1,000. Okay, let's go and explore.
So आप wine पीते हो?
Yes.
Actually, like we welcome our guests. Okay, dip it in the wine. Just touch the wine. Sprinkle it 3 times and say she. So she means habit we are offering to our God and local deities before they drink. Got you?
They welcomed us with their traditional rice wine. Vaishu is having wine for the first time.
उसके बाद हम लाल मिर्ची डालकर पानी छिड़कना है और ऐसे रैमिंग रॉड से रैम कर देते हैं. मिर्च मंत्रा के तरह भी होते हैं ये गाना, क्योंकि ऐसे मारते समय कितने कीड़े मकोड़े मारते होंगे ना, तो उनको माफ़ी मांगने के लिए एक मंत्रा भी गाए जाते हैं.
Here we got a glimpse into the rich traditions, lifestyle and architecture of Bhutan.
सेरेब्रल पाल्सी नाम के, तो उसके वजह से उनका दोनों हाथ काम कर नहीं सकता और जो भी काम होता है ना सब कुछ उनका पैरों से करते हैं. तो जब वो
This man is a victim of cerebral palsy and he make everything with his legs, this carving, this paintings, everything. We bought one painting from him and it felt good. And here comes the butter tea. And I was waiting for this thing actually. I was excited to have this और मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. Then we danced with Bhutanese girls in the museum and it was fun. ये एक विशिंग पॉन्ड है. ये बुद्धा के आगे ये जो पानी है इसमें ये बोल है, इसको इस तरीके से घुमाते हैं और 5 कॉइन देते हैं और हर कॉइन पे आपको एक विश मांगनी है और अगर वो कॉइन वो घूमते हुए बोल में गया तो समझो आपकी विश पूरी हो गई. आई विल जस्ट Then they tried archery, the national sport of India. And then Prasanna hit the spot and these guys are dancing for him. Vaishu, did you enjoy the archery?
yes.
Enjoyed. So Papa hit the spot, and that's why they danced for him.
Yeah.
Right?
Good experience.
Okay. Now we are going to see.
Place?
We are going to see the takin, national animal of Bhutan. वो बड़ा ही यूनिक एक प्राणी है.
Right.
तो वो उसकी स्टोरी आगे पता चलेगी वीडियो में. So हम लोग वो टाकिन प्रिजर्वेशन सेंटर नहीं गए, पहले हम आए हैं यहाँ व्यू पॉइंट पे. This viewpoint was giving us a panoramic view of Thimphu town. The colorful homes, prayer flags fluttering in the breeze and lush green hills all around. It was just picture perfect. इसके पहले हम ये बुद्धा स्टैचू विजिट करके आए, वो दिख रहा है यहाँ से, थोड़ा दूर है। हाय। हेलो गाइस। हेलो। ऐसे ही थोड़ा टाइम पास करने के लिए हमने वीडियोस और पिक्चर्स क्लिक किए एंड देन वी विजिटेड टाकिन प्रिजर्वेशन सेंटर to see the national animal of Bhutan. Look at that kid. Visiting this Royal Taikin Park.
And
this
charges
is
for
cost-
that is 300 rupees per person.
Okay.
And entry fee.
Okay. Basically, this is a zoo. Zoo?
Phone.
Zoo?
Phone.
Is this a zoo?
Phone.
After how many years you're visiting zoo, Ashu? Tell me.
2 years.
Chhe, kuch bhi. Okay, we went to
Darjeeling.
Sikkim. Darjeeling Zoo, yes.
18 kilometers ratio we have to walk.
Huh? Don't tell me. Hello.
Oh no, I'm just joking.
Takin is a unique animal that looks like a mix of goat and a cow and has a fascinating mythological story behind its creation. It is created by the madman
by our divine madman, okay?
who was from
Divine
Tibet.
madman, actually a great master from Tibet.
This center is located in a natural forest like environment, making it a lovely walking experience too. Body of the cow and head of goat. There are a lot of them.
Kept here and there.
आजा बिंटी।
अभी ऑलमोस्ट 2 बजने वाले हैं और ये टाकिन प्रिजर्वेशन सेंटर हमने देख लिया है। यहाँ पे यूनिक चीज़ें मुझे 2 लगी, एक तो टाकिन एनिमल एक इटसेल्फ एंड द सेकंड इज़ ये जो पार्क है यहाँ पे बहुत ही बड़े बड़े लाइक वेरी टॉल पाइन ट्रीज़ एंड लॉट्स ऑफ देम। सो यहाँ पे घूमने का एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस है एंड इनफैक्ट जितनी भी जगह हमने देखी, द म्यूज़ियम, भूटान म्यूज़ियम, दैट बुद्धा पार्क, दिस टाकिन प्रिजर्वेशन सेंटर, दैट व्यू पॉइंट एंड दैट स्तूपा, हर जगह एक अलग एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है एंड दिस इज़ सच अ ब्यूटिफुल कंट्री। इट इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल। मतलब 74% का फॉरेस्ट कवर है और आपको मतलब मैं कहती हूँ आना ही चाहिए। मतलब जो नेचर लवर्स हैं, मैं ऐसी जगह पे जाना प्रेफर करूँगी ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन। सो नाउ आवर प्लान इज़ टू गो फॉर अ लंच एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव भूटानीज dishes, Bhutanese thali basically. Our guide has booked the restaurant yesterday for us because मैंने एक wish ज़ाहिर की थी, मुझे एमादाची खाना है। Actually एमादाची is a Bhutanese dish and which was apparently made famous by Deepika Padukone. Actually Deepika Padukone की एक रील वायरल हुई थी जिनमें वो कह रही थी कि उनकी फेवरेट डिश है एमादाची और वो चीज़ और बहुत सारी ग्रीन चिलीज से बनती है। सो वी आर गोइंग टू हैव इट नाउ इन द लंच। वी आर गोइंग टू हैव द लंच नाउ। सो अभी मैं दिखाती हूँ कौन कौन सी भूटानीज डिश हमने खाई, तो देखते रहिए। सो वी आर हियर एट द हेरिटेज रेस्टोरेंट कॉल्ड हेरिटेज होम बब्बेसा। Oh, nice. Is she? Is sitting near heater? It's actually cold. It can be converted into plates and close it. It's dappa also, like dabba. We call dabba and they call it dappa here. How cool. We will buy this one if we get. This is Simradachi. Okay, that way you make your.
No issue, baby. Wonderful.
Lovely.
Yes, actually.
Hey, Minty, Minty, Minty.
We ended the day by strolling through the local market, window shopping, picking up souvenirs, and just enjoying the slow pace of the life of Thimphu.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है इधर मार्केट में घूम के?
The prettiest market I have ever visited.
Is it? Okay.
Yes. Of all the places I have visited, this is the prettiest one. And there is no traffic signal in Bhutan. The traffic police managing all the traffic. And this was the wholesome day, rich in culture, flavor, and nature. And this is just day two. So much more beauty and adventure awaits. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to follow the rest of our Bhutan journey. Thank you for watching.